Vaseline, which is a brand name for petroleum jelly, is primarily known for its occlusive properties. While it can offer some benefits for the hair, it is important to use it judiciously and understand its limitations. Here are a few potential benefits of using Vaseline on the hair. Moisture retention. Vaseline creates a barrier on the hair strands that helps to seal in moisture and prevent water loss. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with dry or damaged hair who are looking to increase hydration and minimize moisture loss. Protection from heat and environmental factors. Vaseline can act as a protective layer on the hair, shielding it from the damaging effects of heat styling tools, harsh weather conditions, and pollutants. It helps to reduce the impact of external factors and maintain the hair's health and shine. Frizz control and shine enhancement. The occlusive nature of Vaseline can help smooth the hair cuticles, reduce frizz, and add shine. Applying a small amount of Vaseline to flyaways or frizzy sections of the hair can help tame them and provide a sleeker appearance. However, it's important to note some considerations and limitations. Heavy and greasy feel. Vaseline is a heavy, oily substance that can weigh down the hair and leave it feeling greasy or sticky if used in excessive amounts. It's best to use Vaseline sparingly and focus on the ends of the hair rather than applying it directly to the scalp or near the roots. Difficulty in washing out. As mentioned earlier, Vaseline can be challenging to completely wash out the hair, especially with just regular shampooing. This can lead to buildup over time, making the hair appear dull and weighed down. Potential clogging of the scalp. The occlusive nature of Vaseline may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with oily or acne-prone scalps. It can potentially clog the hair follicles and contribute to scalp issues if not properly washed out. If you decide to use Vaseline on your hair, it's important to apply it sparingly and focus on the ends. Be cautious of using it too frequently or in excessive amounts to avoid buildup. It's also recommended to thoroughly cleanse the hair and scalp with a clarifying shampoo. Overall, while Vaseline can provide some benefits for the hair, it's essential to consider your hair type, specific needs, and personal preferences before incorporating it into your hair care routine.